When you hear a song, does it take you back to a moment in your life? Does it change how you feel? Or even how you behave? Does it help you focus? Calm down? Feel understood? Now imagine if students experienced that power of music every single day in their classrooms. Today, our education system is under strain. Music and arts programs continue to be cut. Teachers are stretched thin, and students across grade levels are facing growing challenges, struggling with focus, emotional regulation, and connection, skills essential for learning at every age. And very few tools exist that support learning, emotional well-being, and connection, all at the same time. That's the gap Music Workshop was created to fill.
A lot of the schools here in the nation don't really have the music enrichment that kids need for the future. And I really think that Music Workshop is a great substitute for that.
Music Workshop creates free, high-quality, music-empowered curriculum for kindergarten to 12th grade classrooms. Our programming supports learning, emotional well-being, and cultural understanding, using music as the entry point. We offer classroom curriculum on all sorts of musical topics, live and recorded youth concerts, and professional development for educators. Everything lives online and is available at no cost, so any teacher anywhere can use it. Teachers don't need to be a subject expert. They don't need extra prep time. They simply choose a lesson to teach, and meaningful learning begins. Our lessons are advised by real musicians and culture bearers from around the world, helping students learn about global cultures in an authentic and respectful way. Music Workshop is designed for all classrooms, even when resources are limited.
Music Workshop has truly been a game changer for my classroom. The videos are authentic and engaging. They truly spark curiosity. My students, they don't just watch them, they're engrossed. They ask questions, they want to learn more.
Because of Music Workshop, I can focus on music because it's really fun and entertaining.
Music Workshop brings the world into our classroom in a way that feels respectful, engaging, and genuine. Most importantly to me, the curriculum is accessible to every student.
This is what we mean by music-empowered education. It's not about turning every child into a musician. It's about using music as a proven tool for learning, creativity, emotional awareness, and belonging. In 2013, our program was adopted by 10 schools and has grown to over 18,800 schools, educating over 7.7 million students throughout all 50 states and 116 countries. Behind every number is a student who felt seen, a teacher who felt supported, a classroom that felt more connected.
I cannot say enough wonderful things about Music Workshop. My students love the videos, and it's such a wide variety of being able to see the instruments, the culture, and the music from the countries that we visit.
In the year ahead, we're expanding our curriculum, deepening support for teacher and student well-being, and reaching more classrooms, especially those most impacted by budget cuts and inequity. Our goal is bold, to impact millions more students through music. But we cannot do this alone. Tonight, we invite you to join us. When you support Music Workshop, you don't just give. You join a global movement of change makers using music to transform education. Music is not extra. It is essential.
Music!